Morning everyone. Today's our topic is hierarchy or brigade of engineering department. So you can see on the screen the chief engineer. He or she is the head of engineering department. He always reports to general manager regarding his workplace and for his work. So chief engineer is the only person who take care of entire hotel in terms of electrician problem, in terms of any mechanical problem or any kind of civil work. So this is the entire hierarchy of chief engineer department. So engineer is divided into four categories. The first one is civil, the second one is mechanical, the third one is electrician, and the fourth one is store in charge. So let's start from civil engineer. So after civil engineer there is an assistant civil engineer and then three work supervisor. So three supervisor required because hotel works in three shifts: morning, afternoon and night. So there is a availability of carpenter, plumber, sweeper and helper. So any kind of furniture problem, furniture such as sofa, table, chair, any kind of furniture problem in the guest room, in the banquet or in the restaurant, always handled by civil engineer department, because carpenter reports in civil engineer department. There is, and then after that there is a plumber. So any kind of plumbing problem in guest room, in kitchen, in front office department, it's always handled by plumbing department. So plumber is the most important person in the hotel. That the next one is sweeper. So any kind of that cleaning problem or any kind of that blockage problem, it's always handled by sweeper. So then there is a helper can be from hotel side or it can be a trainee. So helper is the only person who helps entire department of civil engineer. So every department allotted a one helper. So the next one is mechanical engineer. So the mechanical engineer is responsible for so many works in hotel in terms of maintenance. So after mechanical engineer there is an assistant engineer, then after that three shift supervisor, then there is a availability of filter person, then mechanist, welder, helper. So the any kind of filter work which is take care or handled by mechanical department. Then there is a mechanic. So mechanic we require to repair the machinery. So is there any problem regarding mechanical work for the machinery, it's always handled by mechanist. Then welder. So welder is the person that he take care of any kind of iron article, because it helps to join the iron article which are broke. So this is the only department who take care of any kind of mechanical problem. Then after that there is a electrical engineer. So any kind of electronic problem, such as wire problem, that machinery problem, panel problem, so on, it's always handled by electrical department. So after that there is an assistant engineer. Why we hire? Because in the presence of electrical, in the presence of civil, mechanical, electrical, store in charge, assistant, the assistant person take care of entire operation. So then after assistant there is a shift supervisor. If we talk about the shift supervisor, three shift supervisor again we require in every department, because they are that main responsibility of shift supervisor, especially in the night time. Shift supervisor work as a chief engineer, because in the night time chief engineer is not available. So electrician comes under in electrical engineer department. Any kind of that electronic problem, I just told you before, problem related to guest room panel, problem related to banquet slide problem related to any kind of light in lobby light. Sometime during festival we put artificial lights on the walls of the hotel, outside of the hotel. It's always arranged or always done by electrician. So the next one is mechanic. So again, mechanic we require that to repair the machinery. So it's play very important role in electrical department. So the next one is cable jointer. So cable jointer main work to take care of cable which we use to work. So there are so many cables work which is done in hospitality industry. Cable work we require in that in guest room, in banquet area, anywhere is use of LED or television. So cable jointer we always required to take care of that cable as well as machinery of device. Then again helper. So helper we require to help electrician, mechanical, cable jointer. So helper, it can be from hotel side or it can be a training. So the next one is, or lastly, store in charge. So why we put stores, or why we make store in engineer department? Because if we buy a plumbing thing, carpenter thing, or some other kind of thing which is related to maintenance department, it is very expensive. That's why hotel decided to make store, or keep store in the hotels. So store in charge who take care of entire store things. So many store item which they stored in the store, such as related to plumbing, that tabs, traps, so on. If we talk about electrician, wire, LED lights, bulb, tube, so on. Then if we talk about the carpenter, then he stored work which is related to carpenter work, then which is related to painted work, any kind of article which that every department require for guest complaint or for preventive maintenance. So all the departments can easily take from store in charge. Store in charge always give things with the help of requisition. Without requisition, he or she never give any kind of articles from the store, and that store requisition always approved from chief engineer. Then after store in charge, there is assistant store in charge. So that he is the person who take care of store in the presence of store in charge. Then there is a 3 shift supervisor, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and C1 is in the evening. So and then after that there is a storekeeper, that who take care of the store, who put or that arrange article or things in the cupboards or in the racks. Then there is a store issuer, the person who issue the things to other department. In case, for example, if electrician require wire, then store issuer issue a wire through the help of issue slip. Then there is a helper, that who help in the store in terms of cleaning, or sometimes he or she also issues a thing. So this is the all about hierarchy of maintenance department. Then there is one more thing, duties and responsibilities of chief engineer. So let's discuss this one also. The chief engineer has to ensure smooth functioning of the maintenance department. So again, he is the only person who take care of entire engineering departments. If is there any kind of maintenance work required in the hotel, so this is the only engineering department responsibility to handle or resolve the problem. So engineering department chief engineer always report to general manager.